from easy levels or other types of levels. Here we count down our picks for the top 10 hardest Mario levels. This list can include all other features, such as Mario Run or some of annoying things, right? At number 10, Super Mario Run, the leap over jumps. Either way, trying to jump over leaping areas and trying not to fall down after taking many takes, this is rather a challenge. Not also it's only a challenge, but you have to be very talented. As if it is very, very tricky. Jump too low and you'll fall down. Jump too high and you'll jump over it and still splatter in water. You cannot survive in water through the game, and that is why we see here how many times Mario went forwards and backwards. At number 9, Jelly Mario. Jelly Mario is a fun game. So you are a player and you're supposed to move with jelly. If you manage to fall in the level, you'll be rewarded as if it's their own points. But getting exploded could be a little bit hilarious, but not also. It is very, very, very hard to move. At number 8 is Super-Sized Mario Bros. Now this game features you a lot of stuff, such as you do a lot of funny things, such as lowering over an air pipe, or covering yourself with water just to block the water pipe and save other people. Even though this game looks funny, well, it does look hard, but it's not very hard. Being that overweight and a little bit other places and very confusing, and you don't know how to get everything, could make it look very hard. Either way, this is not the hardest level than ever, but it is still okay to play now. Still hard of the point of where you don't know what you could do. At number 7, Mario's Adventure 2. Mario's Adventure 2 seems like a nice little game with all 1-ups, as you can see here, all 1-ups animations, and all other types of things. But there is one section throughout all the sections that make it very hard. It is the section where you're supposed to jump over. If you jump too far, you slip just how Mario did over there. If you jump too low, you slip over there. That was very hard, and it took me a couple of tries. It took me a very, a long time. When I was a kid, I was struggling with these sections. I couldn't even get up to level 4 because of these stupid blocks. But eventually, I got really smart and decided to jump over the blocks. And that counts as a list, if why that levels, or to be through the game, could be a little bit tricky. Number 6. New Super Mario Brothers. This game is fun. It's supposed to be fun. But the controls are so different, and Mario Bros. Deluxe, trying to avoid all lucky twos that try and throw spikes at you, whilst dodging some very talented skill moves. Also, piranha plants in your way and not knowing like 300 thrown at your head on the 3rd level, even throwing right where you're going to walk, made this a very hard level. I played that level and I was so like, what? And it was very fun. Like, all stuff thrown at you and all 500 takes. Not 500, but trying to get through the level I couldn't even get past. Near the ending is where I was panicking. I was trying to get the flag, nothing to help, and then eventually I got lucky and I got the flag. This counts as a pick of why this level is actually very hard, but all of the scores is that I don't even know why such a kid-friendly game would be so a little bit too tricky. Well, I keep it out, Scanch. At number 5, Unfair Mario. That's right, guys, you heard me very well. Unfair Mario. Unfair Mario has a variety game which is full of tricks and trolls designed to troll you. such as vanishing points. All craziness occurred in this game. Now, even level 1 is hard. Go away, Mom! They're in there, they're not here. Trying to get food of a lot of jokes and a lot of pointy spikes that make you very upset and very annoyed. Well, this game is designed to make you annoyed. Even though it is a game, and I know I said levels, well, level 1 is still pretty hard. Not knowing what's gonna come next is truly terrifying. Sitting there for too long, still terrifying. Yeah. So that's why you're here. And it's the hardest part. Nothing. At number 4, a level in Super Mario Revived. Level 2, Super Mario Revived. Trying to go over this thingy over here. It's very hard and trying to go. But this is not the last level. I've got another level to show you through this list that is still in the same game, but is on another level. As you saw, it's very hard, and trying to jump over at the exact moment, not trying to jump too high or too low, can be a bit of a challenge. Trying to run away from it at all different points is a little bit challenging. But guys, you know what time it is. Time for number 3. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.